Let's compare the Klipsch T52 True Wireless Sport earbuds versus the True Wireless ANC McLaren Edition earbuds. At the time of making this video, the T52 Sport cost $300 and the True Wireless ANC cost $450. So the winner is the T52 Sport. Both the earbuds come with the exact same things, except that the T52 True Wireless Sport comes with some extra ear fins for a better fit and a smaller McLaren branded wireless charging pad, whereas the ANC version comes with a bigger charging pad which is big enough to fit your phone as well as the earbuds side by side, but no ear fins. So I am going to call this round a tie because the choice here will really depend on someone's personal preference. You either prioritize better fit or a bigger wireless charging pad. In terms of portability, the Klipsch T52 True Wireless Sport is definitely on the bigger size and it also weighs around 50 grams more than the ANC version. The Sport case will be very large for any pockets and it is better carried out while hung on something using the loop attached with the case or if it's thrown inside a backpack. So the winner here is the Klipsch T52 ANC earbuds. And when it comes to design, the Klipsch T52 ANC is made from real carbon fiber except for the sides of course, which is a co-molded outer shell that reflects the intermediate tire tread on an actual McLaren F1 car. This of course also adds as a protective bumper that can save the case from taking in any damage if dropped on a certain angle. But on the other hand, the T52 Sport case is really one of a kind as it is the only case in the market right now that has a whopping IP67 dust and water resistance rating, and they achieve that by providing a special locking mechanism on the case that helps to block out any water or dirt from getting inside. But this does take more time to open or close the case than a case which has a conventional magnetic latch. Then secondly, the inside of the lid is filled with some moisture absorbing gels, which are there to dry the earbuds when left inside the case. Because guess what? The earbuds are also IP67 rated like the case, whereas the T52 ANC earbuds are only IPX4 rated and the case has no rating at all. And that is why the T52 Sport earbuds take this round. Both the earbuds weigh almost the same, but they have subtle differences in shape and the way they fit. I felt that the T52 ANC's fit was a bit tighter, which some people might find a bit uncomfortable, but the T52 Sport's fit was amazing. It has just the right amount of tightness around the ears, which balances comfort and fit really well. Plus they have a fin which makes them more secure and better suited for any outdoor activities. Though both the earbuds come with the same Klipsch's patented oval-shaped silicone ear tips, the subtle difference in design and the ear fins actually make the T52 Sport more comfortable to wear and hence makes them the winner of this round. The Klipsch T52 ANC model of course comes with the active noise cancellation as the name suggests, though it is not as aggressive as the Sony or Bose counterparts, but it is still better than having nothing, which is unfortunately case with the T52 Sports earbuds. However, they at least added transparency mode like the T52 ANC model, with which you can toggle the amount of ambient sound you want to let inside. On this function, both the earbuds performs very similarly, but the exclusion of ANC means that this round goes to the Klipsch T52 ANC earbuds. On my tests, the Klipsch T52 ANC earbuds can survive 4.5 hours with ANC on and 7 hours with ANC off, and with the case you can recharge them 3 more times. The T52 Sport earbuds do not have ANC, so it can last up to 9 hours on a single charge plus another 3 more times with the case. Also, both the cases offer wireless charging capabilities, but the T52 ANC recharges 20 minutes faster than the Sport version. But because of the bigger battery life, the T52 Sport marginally wins this round. Both the earbuds have very good physical controls, and all you have to do is click on top of the branding on each of the earbuds to control music playback or answer or decline calls. Plus they also allow customizing the commands via the app. But the T52 ANC has implemented a technology from Bragi, which enables you to change tracks or answer or decline calls based off of your head's movement. Though this function is still in beta phase and it did not work properly for me during my testing, but I still think this might be actually a game changer, because if or when Klipsch can get this function to work, then this will be a very convenient way to control your earbuds. So that is why this round goes to the T52 ANC earbuds. And in terms of connectivity, both the earbuds are totally same. They both connect via Bluetooth 5.0 technology and supports SBC, AAC and aptX codec with a 10-meter line of sight. Therefore, this round is a draw. There is some good difference in sound quality though. The Klipsch T52 Sport is an average sounding earbud. I think it is the only earbud that is targeted for people with an active lifestyle which do not have proper bass. If you see all other earbuds like from Jabra or from Jaybird, which is focused at athletic people, then you will see that they have come with a boomy bass. And that's because they want to make sure that even if you're in a noisy place, like in a gym or in the street, you should still be able to hear and feel your music. Plus, all the other frequencies are kind of very shallow with no real depth or headspace. There is an app to change the settings with a 5-band equalizer, but it still does not help much. On the other hand, however, the T52 ANC has direct HD technology which gives them better bass fidelity, slightly better staging and more clarity than its counterpart. Plus, it has a 6-band equalizer which means more tweaking options than the T52 Sport earbuds. So this is why the T52 ANC takes this round.
Testing the microphone of the T5 McLaren edition earbuds. Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Testing the microphone of the T52 True Wireless Sport earbud, McLaren edition. Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So as you just heard, I think the ANC earbuds are so aggressive with noise cancellation that it kind of cuts out your voice as well as noise, which does not make them particularly very good at outdoor calls. Whereas the T52 Sport earbuds lets in a bit more environmental sound in, but at least makes the voice sound more natural and clear, which ultimately makes them better at taking calls on a noisy environment, and that is why the T52 Sport wins this round. So after 11 rounds, as you can see that the Klipsch T52 Sport Edition earbuds comes out at top by a very small margin. But other than the cheap price point and that IP67 rating on both the case and the earbud, I do not think there is much going on for this earbud. So I guess if you can splash that extra cash on the T52 ANC earbud, then you get ANC of course, overall better sound and some cool way of controlling your headphones in the future. Plus the small form factor of the case is something that I personally like very much. But that's it from me today. Please let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed watching this video then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.